We are going to go ahead and get started today with Motivations by Mandy. Uh, do not reload the website. Trying to get out of here. Uh, there we go. Okay, perfect. So, first one up today, we've got Amanda's shop, and she's got Motivations by Mandy. I like it. 9 sales so far. And for some reason, Etsy thinks I'm in Canada. I don't know why it thinks I'm in Canada, but we are not in Canada. We are here in Florida. I'm going to log back in so it feels familiar. Okay, very cool. Let's see what we got here. So if you guys have any questions about your shop and you want me to go ahead and address those as I pull it up, feel free to pop them in and let me know, and we'll be happy to address them for you. Now, first impressions, Amanda, I love your shop. I think it looks so good, and photos go such a long ways, guys. It's so important to get nice, warm, refreshed photos that look good, and I think you've done a really good job with this, Amanda. You know, the colors are really nice. So let's check out this candle right here. Oh, that's cool. You can do a custom message in the candle. You know, any ways that you guys can personalize your items, it can really help you make some more sales because people love buying gifts on Etsy. They love getting things that are unique and personalized and kind of cute. And you can't usually get that a lot of places. You can't just go to Amazon and get a personalized candle. So Etsy is such a wonderful platform for that. So if you can figure out a way to put something custom and special and personalized into your products, it can go a long ways. So I think the photos here are just amazing. And let's see, we got a little video here. Good little video there. It's rotating it. And it's definitely a little smaller than I thought it was at first. Now it looks a little bit tinier. Motivations by Mandy. Always strive to be a better version of you. Always in forever. Hand poured with love. 8-ounce candle. So gorgeous, gorgeous products. I love this product. Please enter the custom message you would like for your candle. Space is limited to 15 characters. Okay. Good details there. And let's check out your keywords here. So this first keyword I feel is probably too long. Rose, vanilla, lavender, custom message, essential oil, aromatherapy candle. So your noun, which is candle, that's what the product is. It's a candle, right? And all the other words are pretty much describing the candle. And I think you should have it'd be better for you to have the word candle closer to the beginning of the listing title, because right now it's buried pretty far down. Rose vanilla custom message, essential aromatherapy candle. And it would be better for you to put candle just a little bit closer to the top. So one way you could do that, let's go and let's search this one. It should be on the end of your first keyword for sure. So if it was this one, we've got rose, vanilla, lavender, custom message candle. So that is just a little bit longer than necessary. And I think it would be better to kind of shorten it down a little bit. So it's good to look at how many results there are. And I always try to aim for keywords that have between 1,000 and 10,000 results. That's kind of the sweet spot. So 1,000 to 10,000 results. That's about ideal. And this one's only 152. So let's just go ahead and let's just cut all these other words out. Let's just look up, let's do rose custom message candle. Okay. 331. So that's still pretty, not quite big enough for my first keyword, but I'm going to write it down anyways over here. And let's go back again. Let's just do custom message candle. And that one's 1248. So that is a better candle for you right there. So I would go with that one as my first one probably. And very cute. I love this product. It's really fun. So custom message candle would be a much better keyword because that's got 1,248 results. Now we could try and add in, we could do rose lavender. Now we could do rose, let's see, vanilla, rose vanilla candle. This one's 2,107. So that's another really good keyword right there, 2,107. And let's look back at your product. Essential aromatherapy candle. Let's check this keyword out. Essential aromatherapy candle. That's a strong keyword right there with 8,868 results or something like that, 868. So here we go. We got a few better keywords here. And I think the best keyword to get started with would be this custom message candle. And the reason I would pick that one is because it's the most relevant. So it's a very unique keyword. Whereas essential oil aromatherapy candle is a great keyword, but it's not as relevant. There's a lot of different essential oil aromatherapy candles that could be relevant to this product, to that keyword. But the custom message candle, I think, is unique. Now you could even try and do Valentine candle. There we go. Now we got a big keyword, 79,000 results. And let's do custom Valentine candle. Here we go, 4,600 results. So that would also be a really good keyword because it's a lot of results, 4,600, but it's such a good description of this product. Okay. So I'm going to pop these keywords in here for you, Amanda. And I think that's going to be your biggest area of opportunity with your shop is to just work on the keywords. Like for this one, for example, pick 9 is not a keyword people are going to search. And that would be something that would work a lot better in your description because it's really describing and giving them some important details about the product, but it's not something that needs to be in your listing title. So even up here, paw print essential oil candle, that's kind of a long keyword if we search that one. Paw print, only 366 results. So we might just want to do paw print candle. And there we go. That gives you 1,140 results. So a lot better. So what I'm going to recommend for you, Amanda, I'm going to recommend that you go and watch my training workshop on how to pick out the best keywords, okay? And how to really optimize your shop for the Etsy search. And this workshop, I go through it in detail. I tell you how to find the keywords and how to make sure the keywords are the best ones available to you. So I'm going to pop in a link to this. I'd recommend checking it out. I think you got a wonderful looking shop. And if you work on those keywords a little bit, you're going to be able to attract a lot more visitors. And I think your photos are already set and you'll be able to make sales with those. So great shop. Sending Amanda, and thanks for sending it in.